Welcome learners. This is Dr. T. Gangaram, lecturer in statistics, SBA Government College, Srikalahasti. In this video lecture, we will discuss the definition, distribution function and calculation of mean, derivation of mean of rectangular or uniform distribution. This is a continuous distribution. A continuous random variable x in the interval a to b has the probability density function f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a. The range of x lies between a and b. Here the lower limit is a and the upper limit is b. The variable x lies between the range is a to b only. It is equal to 0 otherwise. This is called uniform or rectangular distributions with parameters a and b. If we know the values a and b, we can find any number of f of x values. It is usually denoted by x follows u, a, comma, b. Derivation of distribution function. The distribution function is also known as cumulative probability density function. This is cumulative distribution function CDF. It is denoted by capital F of x. This is equal to probability of capital X less than or equal to x. Here f of x is equal to, this is the minimum range, to x. F of probability of x less than or equal to x means up to x we need to find the probabilities f of x dx. Instead of f of x, we substitute 1 by b minus a. 1 by b minus a comes out 1 by b minus a integral a to x 1 dx. Integral 1 dx is x. The range is minimum value of a is minimum value of the range integral is a and maximum x. So 1 by b minus a, maximum value x we need to substitute minus minimum value a. This is nothing but f of x is equal to x minus a by b minus a for a less than x less than b. This is known as the distribution function of uniform distribution. Next, we derive the mean of uniform distribution. We know by the definition of mean or expected value of expectation of x is equal to a to b. This is the range x f of x dx. This is the definition of expectation of x or mean of x in case of continuous random variable. Substituting f of x as 1 by b minus a, expectation of x is equal to a to b x. In place of f of x 1 by b minus a, 1 by b minus a comes out. Integral x is equal to x square by 2. Range is a to b. Substitute the values of minimum value and maximum value in this form x square by 2. Here instead of maximum value we need to substitute b, that is x square minus x square. Instead of x we need to substitute b, maximum value, minus minimum value a square. We can write b square minus a as b minus a into b plus a, or b plus a by b minus a. B minus a gets cancelled, and the final result is the mean of rectangular distribution is expectation of x is equal to b plus a by 2. Thank you.